Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Got an exciting video for you guys today. We are doing a sublimation puzzle. I have a photo. I'm going to test out these new puzzles I got. I'm going to put this photo on the puzzle and see how it turns out. I have a lot of interesting designs that I and What's Truth are creating that I am excited to be putting on some puzzles. I have two kinds of puzzles available at the moment, 120 piece puzzles and 80 piece puzzles. I can't wait to get a whole bunch of these made up so I can show everybody. This is just the very first puzzle of the batch of the 120 piece puzzles that I'm doing for you guys. You guys already seen the, what was it? 40 piece puzzles that I made that I had available at the end of December. I no longer have those listed up. They were a limited time only puzzles. They're limited edition, so they were only available for about a week or two, and those are no longer available, but I have a whole bunch of new puzzles designs that are going to be coming out very, very soon. I'm very excited about getting these puzzles made up. This puzzle for this video that I have is listed in the shop. If you guys are interested, you guys can order one. A very beautiful design, very beautiful picture. I'm going to put the link to the listing in the description. Guys, go check it out. I also have a few other projects that I'm working on that I'm excited to get the videos done up and share them with you guys. They will probably be out within the next week or two. I am so excited to get these projects on the go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of this puzzle in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, and hit that subscribe button. I am always making things. I make shirts, mugs, puzzles, mouse pads, anything and everything. I am going to be getting back into making some epoxy stuff, probably the end of January, maybe February. I got a lot of other projects to finish up before I start that again. But lots of things. I have so many things in the works for you guys. I'm going to keep bringing out the content. I'm going to keep making things. Lots planned for the future. 2023 is going to be an awesome year, and I'm excited for all the things that I'm going to be making with you guys. So hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. Lots to come. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. You guys are all awesome. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I will see you guys in the next video.